Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this kind of web map using R programming language. This is Spatial Data. It has latitude and longitude, and we are going to display these variables. Here we have we can select different variables. For example, the default one here is site, and if I click on this drop down, we can see I have hearing, mobility, cognition, self-care, and speech. So now we are displaying site, and we can see the legend shows that the counties with the highest number of disability has this yellow color. This is a viridish color, which displays a distribution of objects or data on a map. So if I go ahead and select, for example, hearing, you can see the map changes, and it is also interactive. We can see, we can zoom out, we can zoom in, we can hover over the map and see the name of the county and also the value of that kind of variable. For example, if I hover over this, you can see this is Samburu County, and the hearing here, the disability or people who have disability to hear are 30. Then if I hover over a different county, this is Kilifi, it has also 30. This one has 70. So the highest one is 90, which is a yellow. For example, this is Homa Bay. You can see it has 90. You can change to, for example, cognition, and the color of course retains, but the values changes depending on the values of different variables per county. Yeah, so this is what we are going to create. I hope you will enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, and so let's get started.